Hey folks, here it is. This is the 3D printed modular juggling board. So it comprises of three different parts. You have the body section here, the arm section, which are what makes up the difference between the bodies, and the interlane connectors as such. Demonstrated in this board here, you can see all of the different colors, and we can make all of the components out of all of the different colors. Our juggling boards are made out of 99.5% recycled plastic water bottles. This is trash that I'm holding right here. And better than that, it's printed on solar power. So, how do you put it together? So that's quite simple. Simply pull out the interlane connectors on both sides. And now you have a lane. So, the lanes can be used by themselves. You can make them as long or as short as you want by adding more or less of the arm sections. So, if we can come in a little bit closer, we'll look at how this works here. Each part is a circuit of interlocking male and female joints. We're going to start in the middle, just to add a little bit more flexibility. And you simply squeeze this end here, which releases these pins, and you pull it apart. Once you've got relatively most of the way out, I'm going to go to the other side just to ensure that we keep it together nicely. So we ship these with a little bit of lubricant on these joints here because they are naturally tight. Hello, Mr. Wasp. That was fun. Let's give it a round of applause for Mr. Wasp. Here we are. So the same applies for the end connections. Voila. Here's a close-up look at one of those there. All of the weight is supported by the large part in the male. These, for anyone who 3D prints themselves, these print without supports, which is wonderful. Simply slot them in together. Again, build up half a lane, and then put the two together. Voila, that quick, that easy, and it packs down tiny, and it weighs so little that I can hold it on one finger. On the lane pieces, you will see that there is a little nubbin and a little pocket. And these line up perfectly as we place down alongside the other lanes, and then simply push the connectors in. So, here we are, 1 and 2. And then you can hold the board comfortably and safely from any angle without it breaking. Ladies and gentlemen, the 3D printed juggling board. By the way, if any parts break, send them back to us, we'll recycle them further. We will melt them down into panels for geodesic domes that we'll donate to refugee camps for 3D printed portable housing.